Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete Roblox chat messages. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to remove chat messages on Roblox. Start by opening your chat, then selecting the conversation you want to clear. Once inside, tap Chat Details to see everyone in that conversation. Since it's just between you and the other user, tap the three dots beside your name and open their profile. From here, you can either unfriend or block them, but unfriending is usually enough. After removing them from your friends list, head back to your chat and you'll see the entire conversation disappear automatically. This method works great for keeping your inbox organized, especially if you're cleaning up old chats or removing messages from other people you no longer interact with. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.